How YouTube Shorts can skyrocket your channel's success. Hey YouTube creators. YouTube Shorts are everywhere, right? Racking up billions of views daily. But the big question is, can they actually boost views on your long-form videos? The answer is yes, if used strategically. Simply posting shorts won't automatically drive traffic to your main content. In fact, some channels even saw their long-form views drop when they focused too much on shorts. So, what's the right approach? Think of shorts as trailers for your long videos. They should hook attention fast, deliver value, and leave viewers wanting more. A great short teases a key moment, then directs viewers to the full video. The first 2 seconds are crucial. Grab attention instantly with a bold statement, a shocking fact, or an eye-catching clip. No long intros, jump straight into action. To convert viewers, always include a clear call to action. Say, watch the full video on our channel or click the link in the description for the full breakdown. YouTube's new related link feature lets you attach your long video directly to a short. Use it. What kind of shorts work best? If your long video is a tutorial, highlight one quick tip. Covering AI news, summarize a big development and point to your full analysis. Running AI experiments, show an impressive AI result and lead viewers to your deep dive. Keep shorts tightly connected to your main content to attract the right audience. Consistency matters. Posting 2 or 3 shorts per week alongside long videos helps maintain engagement. But remember, quality over quantity, every short should serve a purpose. Shorts work best when combined with other free growth strategies. Optimize your long videos for search, engage with viewers in comments, and collaborate with other creators. So, do shorts boost long-form views? Yes, but only when done right. They should act as a bridge, not a distraction. Use them to pull viewers in, provide value, and guide them straight to your long-form content. Want more AI content strategies? Check out our next video, don't miss it.